So today we're going to take just a moment to send a message out, a much needed message to the haters. You know, 'cause I actually got you guys something. It's right here. Maybe instead of saying it, I should just communicate it telepathically. Double power. Starting to get the message? You getting it? Alright, so make the magic occur. Ta-da! Huh. That's not. Oh, wait, maybe it's. There it is! Alright, for this next trick, I'm going to need one of these. And I'm just going to need it in this hand. And I go, whip! Ha! Ha! Gotta do my lifts. Gotta stay in shape, you know. Come on. Now I know many of you are familiar with this one. Ha! But I prefer this one. Ha! And for those of you who have watched Bruce Almighty, I'm sure you know this one. Let me just play a little note for you. I can hold this note all night. But me, I go with a different sound. Oh, nice. Where is F-U? Where is F-U? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, sir? Go to hell today, sir. Go away. Go away. Wah, wah, wah. Fast as fingers in the West. First look up, now look behind you, now back to me, now between your knees, and back up again. Your head is in your butt, you can F yourself with it. So that was fun. Feel free to send this to someone or tag someone who you either don't like, or just enjoy flipping off for the lulz. But yeah, I've got a whole bunch of other stuff on my page. Check it out, Maverick O'Sullivan on YouTube, and have a good one.